Alright guys, we're going to start our next mini project here. Is looking at a road trip across the state of Minnesota. We're going to do it on Google Maps, and there's a certain process. The first place you're going to look at is this website. I'll put a link to it on the wiki, but it just tells you what you need to do. You're going to have to travel to all 5 regions of the state. I'll show you what those are. Your itinerary wants an itinerary, okay, and descriptions. Now we're going to do all this on Google Maps. This website says, write it out, whatever. I want you to put it all on a Google one. This one just deals with what's happening in the for your trip, excuse me. So I've got these in there, but this link will be there on the wiki and on our website. It's just under task and process is what we're looking at now. These are links as to ideas for what you need, and there's rules that you have to follow. All right, no more than 6 hours in the car. It says a perfect summer week, could be a winter week, doesn't matter. Just make sure when you go to something, when you see an attraction, it's got to be open at the time. You'll use Google Maps just like we did, and this is just a quick example of one of ours that highlights Bigfork, but we did it with Oceana. You're going to do the same thing across the state of Minnesota. So what I want you to read here is you must have 15 stops. You got to see 15 things. All right, you can see multiple things in a city, but you got to visit each of the northeast, northwest, the central, southern, and metro, like the Twin Cities. You got to stop in each area. You have to identify what you're going to do. So, Mall of America, drop a pin on it. Tell me about what you did there. You cannot spend more than 6 hours a day in the car. You have to plan to sleep and eat. Okay, so you got to look for hotels, restaurants, all that stuff. You need to keep track of the time and distance that you've traveled, and you can only go to things when open. All right, so you can't go to Twins game at 7 in the morning, stuff like that. All right, now finally, when we look at the areas, here is the northwestern part of Minnesota, northeastern Minnesota, which would include us. The cities are down here. Southern Minnesota, if you draw kind of a line just below the cities and count that as southern Minnesota, and then everything up in here would be central. You can drive through other states to get to places when you're planning them. And then what you'll have is a Google map with 15 different stops all around the state of Minnesota. All right, guys. Thanks.